Hello, you guys. It is December already, and welcome to my channel. This will be your December prediction, which is for the Leo signs. Okay, the Leo. I'm going to start your December prediction in a bit, but before that, highly requested information. So I'm going to just say it out and leave it with you guys. I'm sure you know that at Luminous Guide, which is my brand, we have curated this beautiful products. Okay, this is we had a vision to work with COVID affected homes, and so we wanted to bring back their smile, and they should receive some sort of amount. So these are all organic 100% products which are energized, and my blessings are here, energized on the new moon. And this is the lemongrass 125 ml jar of meditation candle. We also have in lavender. We have these beautiful babies which works really well. Amazing feedback so far. It has worked for the ones who've used it. These are manifestation candles, and it just feels so good. This is for relationship, and this is for abundance of wealth, finance, and career. So you get it in a pack of 2. Whenever you purchase it, you gotta let me know what's your exact purpose, and I'll customize a ritual and share it with you guys. Okay, all the information is mentioned below, so please do use that link, the email or the WhatsApp number. This is 100% handmade organic bath soap. It is amazing. It's an aromatherapy soap. If you have issue like me, where I do not use chemical infused products and I use 100% organic, so this is for you guys. Okay, you can use this. We have the tea lights, the beautiful tea lights which you can use daily. Jasmine, mogra, and lemongrass. Okay, it comes in a pack of 12. You can ask me to curate a customized gift for you guys if you want, or just purchase these products individually. All the information will be given to you once you say hello on that email and ask for that information or WhatsApp number. The chakra meditation bookmark. It's the chakra affirmation and meditation bookmark. This is a beautiful bookmark where you have all the chakra colors in front and the back. There are affirmations mentioned here to help you unblock your chakras. Apart from that, we also have the bath salt, which is you can use it generally as a bath salt, or you can use it to cleanse your aura. This is amazing. It is done by me, and this bath salt helps you cleanse your negative auric field. I mean, it's amazing. So all this is very beneficial. It is amazing. You can use this in your rituals and everyday life. And please check the information mentioned below to avail these. Okay, now my dear Leo friends, how are you beautiful people? We're going to check what's going to happen, or what is happening in the month of December in your life, in your energy, in terms of health, in terms of finance, career. Wow, first card itself is Magician. So you're manifesting something truly, okay, in the month of December, and you have all the tools, you have everything that it takes. You have it in you. You have the power to do things right. Okay, do not worry about it. There is love coming for those who are looking for new love. Okay, there is definitely love coming for those who are looking for new love. You are going to be spending a lot of family time together, or you are receiving some family inheritance. There is super amount of money coming your way in the month of December. Okay, there is a wish fulfillment, super amount of money. I think overall you guys have been working too hard for the entire year, and this is the time when you're manifesting all that, and it's going to be in fruition, or it's going to start and you will start receiving it over the next year. But a lot of you need to maintain balance, because you've got totally out of balance when it comes to your emotional fulfillment. I see a lot of you have been missing out something, either on a relationship, either on an opportunity that you've missed out, and you're sulking and crying over it. Stop doing that. Okay, when it comes in terms of health, I see some of you going through a lot of anxiety at this point in time, or sleepless nights, or just working too hard, making your magics and miracle work. You need to start focusing on your sleep. Okay, Start focusing on your sleep. Some of you do feel bit, you really have to take care of your health, my Leo friends, because for you guys, my Leo friends, for you, your inner glow, beauty, your charisma is something that's extremely important. You guys are leaders. You like to look good. So if you want to look good and get that natural glow, you really need to take care of yourself. You need to work hard on your health. But overall message that I see is that you need to get the balance, in your life, which you have lost, because some of you have lost balance. Okay, I see some of you are carrying a lot of burden on your shoulder, or responsibilities of family and things like that. Things will start getting, you will start getting things into clarity in the month of December. But you gotta ensure that you gotta ensure that you do not lose the balance. You have to maintain the scale, you have to maintain the balance. You are getting an emotional proposal in this month, some of you. Okay, but for that you got to let go of the past, because a lot of you are still hanging on to the past and not letting go of the past. When it comes to money, I see a good time for you to work your magic, make things for manifesting, because you have it in you. You have it in you, you're just not focusing on that. So this month should all be about balance. It should be about focus. It should be about good sleep, taking care of your health. It should be about spending time with family, signing up that check of inheriting the money from your family. Or there, for few people, you must have put some money in stock. You may be receiving the ROI of that. Okay, it's a possibility. Take a break as well. Okay, just try to maintain things in balance. Don't go all over the place. All right. And yeah, cooperation. See, some of you really see, you're manifesting. You're manifesting. Okay, so while you're manifesting, start cooperating with things that's not working for you. Okay, if it's not working for you, accept it, let it go, cooperate with it. Only once you let go, you'll be able to recognize the new person, the new situation, the new opportunity in life, and then you'll be able to grab that opportunity. So you will start realizing that which people are valuable to you, which people are not valuable to you. You will automatically start realizing that, my Leo friends. Okay, you guys are meant to have a very beautiful journey in the month of December, so do not lose that. Take a break. On 4th December there is a solar eclipse happening. I think it's a good day for cleansing out all the negativity and just taking a mental break, going to retreat, resorts, somewhere we are not doing anything new. You're just taking a break. Okay, I think you guys really need to take a break. Your angels are saying, you see, express your divine feminine energy, embracing its magical intuition and nurturing qualities. So your angels are saying, get into your intuitive mode. So while you're manifesting for everything, could be health, could be wealth, could be relationship, could be emotional satisfaction, call upon your goddesses, call upon your mentors, call upon your gurus, call upon the divine love that is there for you, call upon all of those blessings which is there, which is waiting for you. Okay, why you leaving that? Because there are angels who are ready to help you. There are spirit guides who are ready to help you. Why are you going through anxiety? Why are you feeling all the burden on your shoulder? Could be a burden for anything, right? Call upon that. Some of you could be feeling a lot defeated as well from a particular person or a particular situation. I think that's because you did not look at the prison wave. I just talked about deceitment, and it's the prison wave. See, so that's because you did not look at the bigger picture. You did not look at what's coming for you, and you must be going through a self-sabotage period. Okay, you must be going through that, where you must be feeling that in your consciousness, okay, you know what, things are not working out for me. What am I supposed to do? Or I'm so busy taking on work and I don't know what to do, right? So don't get into that mode. Okay, don't get into that mode, my friends. There's Before I get into the message of this prison wave, I see a couple of numbers that I need to give it to you. Okay, 1 could be a great number for you. 14, number 5 could be a great number for you. 9, because I have 999. Okay, so we've got 999. You could be going through synchronicity. That's a possibility. You may be seeing a lot of 9999, so if that is significant, then check that out. Okay, and the whole reason I think why this card, this prison wave, is here is because it's like a reminder to you of the law of intent. there is a law of intent. You have an intention of doing something, but you're getting into a self-sabotage mode where you may be wearing a mask on your eye. There's like an illusion, there's a disbelief, there's a hidden belief happening in your life. Okay, so that disbelief is preventing you from the highest good, the highest purpose of your life, what you're manifesting, right? You're manifesting something for a very high purpose in your life. So something is like kind of, you know, cutting you off, like you are just looking at the past situation. So this has come to give you a reminder that take control over your thoughts. Okay, just stop looking at the spilt milk, stop looking at the fallen cups, because they are not serving you right. Look at the future. In future you have happiness, you have an amazing family, you have all the money. Okay, 10 of pentacles, that means you have so much of money in your life. So we have a 9 and a 10 of pentacle. Can you see that? So it's like going in synchronicity, right? It's consistent, it's not, there's nothing breaking there. So look at that. Don't say I can't do this, I'm not worthy, I'll fail, so why try, I don't deserve this, I'm, you know, unlovable. Don't go on this mode. That's what the prison wave is saying. It's like you are putting yourself in the prison. Okay, so don't do that. Don't do that. That's the reminder, you know, because whatever is your expectation, if you go into the negative way, you will manifest negative things, and negative things will happen when you're, because I see you're a manifester in the month of December. Okay, you gotta get back the balance in your life. You know, you need to take an inventory of your thoughts, is what I get for you guys. Okay, just align your thoughts and everything else will fall in place for you guys, my Leo friends. So if you've enjoyed this reading, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification icon. If you need a personal reading, all the information is mentioned below. All the information of the products is mentioned below. Okay, I love you guys. Just take care of yourself and align your thoughts well. Till we meet again. Goodbye.